Hi, Michael Dresdner here, and today we're going to show you how to use GluBoost products to quickly apply a beautifully clear, durable finish right on the lathe. Today we're finishing pens. To finish a pen blank, use thick GluBoost Fill and finish applied with a shop towel either when the lathe is still or, as I prefer, while it's running. Apply it as smoothly as you can, and when you like how it is, cure it by spraying it with the activator. To take it to a higher gloss, sand up to 1200 grit, then add another coat using thin fill and finish. Apply it as before as smoothly as you possibly can. When you like it, spray it with activator, then get some polishing compound on a shop towel and simply buff it up to high gloss. As you can see, it's fast, easy, and beautiful.